I just made it to Body Baby, and I'm here to get a sauna detox wrap. And Antoinette is the person that is going to help me. And so yeah, I will check back in. Well, I'm gonna show y'all like a few clips, of course, you know, of the setup and just the process. This is Antoinette.
Hi everybody. So we're gonna get a sauna detox.
Okay. So yeah. This is the bed. This is my little room, and she's telling me I gotta put these thongs on that came in that little package. I don't know how.
Wait,
let's
just
see.
hold on.
Let's wait for her to unravel it before I get my panties in a bunch. I'm just saying.
Okay, so look.
Nah.
This is the front, and this is the back.
Okay. All right.
Do you see it stretch?
Okay.
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 Okay, and another thing is, like, you have your privacy through these. They block them off. So, like, people are next door getting services and stuff. I told her, make sure this closed tight, okay? I gotta get bucket naked. This is all I get to wear.
That's it.
I thought I could keep my bra on, y'all. She like, no, just wear the panties.
I need everything off.
Okay.
So let me tell you why. Because when you get up, you gonna have to water.
Oh yes,
That's always hot.
Oh, okay.
You won't be soaking wet.
Okay.
Okay. So
Lord.
yeah.
So I'm in here, y'all. I'm in here. Antoinette is zipping me in.
Yes, we are getting zipped in.
I was wrapped up in plastic first, but I'll tell y'all about it later. The shot. I'm trying to talk to you right now. Well, I feel the next time.
Oh, you feel it?
Miss Erica, you like your results?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
I told you it's gonna get the results with skin tight.
Yeah, I see that. And you feel it.
I want to see pictures.
I have pictures. I just did my knees. So this towel, because we need to track all. So you totally zipped up.
Look, you don't see
Nobody
nothing now
see
since
you.
I done snatched her in. You don't see
Close this up
nothing.
for your
You
privacy.
don't even see that bush no more.
And also, I got rubbed down with this before I got wrapped. But before she even rubbed me down, she used the exfoliating gloves just to, you know, get up any dead skin. Okay, you guys, so I am done. I have been unwrapped. And I don't know if you can see, but it is, you know, just water in here. Basically the sweat and toxins, I guess, that you released. It's hard to see it, but anyway, I have been unwrapped and I will be right back. Okay, you guys, so I'm back home now, and so I'm just gonna give you a couple of more details about this experience. So I went to get, the term is a sauna detox body wrap. Okay, I went to get a sauna detox body wrap, and I gotta say that the experience did start off a little rocky, because I got in there and one of the employees, I asked her a question. I was just asking her to confirm some a thing that I had spoke to the lady that helped me in the video. I asked her to confirm some information that she told me over the phone, because she wasn't there yet. So I'm asking her, and it's like she got all snippy like with me, like, girl, I ain't trying to stiff you for no discount. Like, I'm just confirming what was already talked about. I'm just getting the numbers right. So, you know, that was off-putting, and I didn't know whether or not I wanted to stay for the experience, but something was like, call Antoinette and speak to her, you know, directly. So I called her. She was very accommodating over the phone. You know, she was apologetic, you know, for the behavior of that particular person, and she did express to me that her and another young lady are part owner of the place, and how she's passionate about this because of her own weight loss journey and this and that. So, you know, I was game. I came back later, and Antoinette, as you saw in the video, you know, was the one that helped me out. So basically what you didn't get to see was after I laid on the, well, I had to take off everything like I told y'all. So after I laid there, okay, stark it naked. Ooh, I was uncomfortable. Took that that oil that I showed y'all, and she rubbed like everything down. So, you know, I was feeling a little odd, like I ain't never had nobody rub me up, I mean, you know, in this setting butt naked. Okay, so I was just like feeling odd, like, you know, everything had to be rubbed except for my backside. She did everything that I would expect, as far as talking me through, just letting me know what to expect. And I laid there, I think, for like 45 minutes. And when I got up, you know, it was water and stuff in the plastic, quite naturally, because you're wrapped. After she rubs the oil on you, then it's like this big, huge piece of plastic you wrapped in like a cocoon. After that, she zipped me in, as you saw, and it just gets really hot. So that's why it's called Sauna Detox wrap, because it heats up and it forces your body to sweat and remove any impurities. And it is equivalent to working out. So like, I forgot what they compared it to. I think it's equivalent to like a 90-minute workout or something like that. But anyway, overall, it's something I wouldn't mind doing again. It's just reminiscent of when I do an actual sauna, except for this one might be a little bit more intense, because you actually are wrapped, you know, and in this secluded spot versus just sitting in a sauna. So I would say it's probably better than a sauna. So I didn't even try it necessarily for anything related to weight loss, but I have been in the process of detoxing just on my own here recently, so it's like it just fits right in. So I would give it a try if I were you all. I'm gonna link the name of the place below. If you're in Chicago land, you might want to stop in, and I highly recommend going to Antoinette specifically. I don't even know the other lady name, and I ain't gonna throw her under the bus anyway, but just go to Antoinette, okay? If you visit there, go to Antoinette. And if you do visit, come back to this video and let me know how your experience went, and I will talk to you all on the next video.